Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can insert music to your Streamlabs OBS or even how you can add a sound. So I have few scenes here, starting soon, be right back, ending soon, and let's say that we want to music in the background. So all you want to do is just click on a plus. Now what you want to go is media source, add source, and as you can see there is MP3, AV, FLV. Okay, media source, add source. And now what you want to do is find a local file and find your MP3 file. So where is it? So I have it here, base lahar. Okay, save it somewhere, don't delete it, okay? And when we play done, okay, like this. Okay, and now what you want to do is right click on it and go again properties and press loop. So what will happen is that when you are, it will loop whole song, and it's really important. Now what you want to do also is go to settings and advanced audio settings, and you will find here media source. You can also rename it. I recommend renaming it to music in background. Done. Let's go there again, and what you can do is, opa, it's too loud, wait a second. You won't hear it right now, but you are going to hear it in a second. I just need to set it up. Okay, and now you should be able to hear it. So what you can do also is to lower the volume to like 50, so it's not that loud, and this is pretty cool. So right now it's only on ending soon. You should put it also on starting soon, and I think this is pretty cool. I recommend inserting some kind of smooth music or really calm music. That's pretty awesome, I believe. That would be great. And that's kind of it. And also, when you are going to have overlay, the one thing I recommend is to have a moving overlay. Don't have it like here, this is just the showcase for video. Don't have it just stable. Have something with an overlay option. And yeah, what else would I show you? Yep, just save your local file somewhere. You can also increase speed, and that's kind of it. So yep, thank you everybody very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. And also write me in the comments what else would you like to learn from Streamlabs, and I will make a video on it. Thank you very much everybody. Have a great day, and see ya in the next video.